agus dé an dóias luaie gus túchte man an gúil le cúsa bí, a bhí gan eichcin mar chúlanan. Go deireh bhí a míomhógáil gunna bhí. Cóig seachcan an ras ba áilta si a chúlanan ag sai figi, an Cairn ag Catherine Walker. Well a cháirtin, seo mi ann an glán clóva, agus ha mi déisiol gus coinneachadh rí al úr de Cairn Terriers, hat ag Catherine agus omachrech haid tían leo an drasta. Oh my goodness, Catherine hat díirech Allen. Oh my goodness.
Come on,
it's a box of trouble.
Figgy.
And is this Mum?
This is Mum, this is Figgy Pudding.
Hey, Figgy. Hello, Figgy. Hello. Oh, clever, Mummy. Oh my goodness, look at them. Shawl chobria sashin. Oh, they're gorgeous, Catherine.
They're beautiful.
Oh.
3 boys and 3 girls. Last but not least, little Harris.
Oh, Harris. Hello, Valley. Cairn Terriers animal gus a bhí fúrachal agus fiorich. And the helper's doing a great job.
He's doing a great
Puppy
job.
herder of the year.
Where are they? I know.
Oh, they're just so gorgeous. Agus ha collach go bhfuil at the táise chu gák. Oh, ma chrech sa hannig hat díirech Allen shawl ar a dútan. Agus a bhrú raver. Lán lús agus lán spórs. Chail siad na bearí na coinmhéice seo na bhí a dul ar thuairt agus a bhí clích.
And their teeth are in.
Oh yeah, they've got wee
Definitely
teeth starting. The fun and games are about to start.
Oh, totally.
So, how long till they head off to their forever homes?
They go away at 8 weeks with their toenails trimmed, microchipped, health checked and wormed. That's what they go
And then
away.
off to take the world on.
Oh gosh, yes, absolutely. 100% they will.
What are the best attributes of the breed?
I think they're just little social hand grenades, and I just think a home's not a home without a terrier. I just love terriers.
Me too.
Chris says every time, no more terriers, and I'm like, you can't have a home without a terrier, can you?
Well, chanuring o hén gunna bhí a gúnta hurishin. They're fast, aren't they?
Right, we're missing one.
There's one behind you there.
Perfect, that's fine.
Oh, Cairn numbers are... They're doing okay, but
They're
they
all
could be
right.
doing better,
They
couldn't
could be
they?
doing better.
Get na chilat búlach an cúnarst mar bhríd háast, a na coinmhéice seo a tían go máfasc ar a bhí gan cúr rí liste na Kennel Club.
Come on. Good girl. Good girl. I'll breed Figgy again in 2 years' time, and I'll keep a pup that time. And because I feel it's really important that we have to keep this breed alive and going forward. You know, not necessarily for show, but just the breed itself, because it is an old breed, and it does need to be kept alive. You know.
They've walked with us through the ages and they need us now.
Absolutely.
More than ever.
More than ever. And you're having a great old time.
Are you testing your wee teeth? Oh, they're just gorgeous. Well, congratulations and
Thank
thanks
you.
for having us.
No, not at all. You're
I
more
kind
than
of don't want to go. Ach, fé mi falav. Agus chanil cúlan ac am nam génsi.